Hey guys, this is Chris with marketing.com, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make money by listening to songs. The most nice way to make money: listen to music, rate music, get paid, and move on from there. Today I'm showing you 3 websites that you can choose, test by yourself, and see which one is the best for you. And you can use one or all 3 of them based on the country location, because the country location does matter on these sites. Do stick with me all the way down to the end, because I'm going to show you another great way of making money. And let's start with which are the best 3 sites for you to start generating money. Okay guys, number 1, let's minimize this. Okay, number 1 is Hit Predictor. By the way, the sequence I'm showing these sites, it's not which is better than the other one, it's just the 3 sites. So I'm starting with Hit Predictor. With the Hit Predictor, what I have to say on this site, by the way, all three sites are free to sign, guys. Yeah, so don't worry, get involved, sign up, it's free on all 3 sites I'm gonna show you, and start playing around. With Hit Predictor, what I'm gonna say is that basically you work with points as reward, and once you gather points, you are able to redeem those points based on Amazon cards, the gift cards, and so on. So pretty much you are able to gain points with Hit Predictor by rating some music, by referring somebody else to the site, by answering some questions, surveys, and so on. So this is how you generate money with Hit Predictor. But basically you're working and getting points on your answers and your rewards, and based on those points you're able to go back and redeem it on Amazon cards, gifts, and so on. So Hit Predictor is number 1 site here. Once you sign in on Hit Predictor and on the other sites I'm gonna show you in a minute, location does matter. What's gonna happen when you sign in is gonna ask you which country you are located, and based on the country, your location, and the music reference you have, it's gonna give you a lot of options, or not as many options, to rate on the songs. So location does matter. That's why I said in the beginning of the video, based on the location, maybe this site it's not good enough for you because they don't have enough options for you to rate, and the other 2 sites are better, or maybe all 3 sites are having a lot of options and you can get money from there. Yeah, so do sign up, do register, and follow from there to see based on your country which one is the best. It's free, so you have nothing to lose. So Hit Predictor, number 1. This site is basically based on points mostly. So number 2, which is also very famous, is Slide the Pie. As it says here on the very first page, is get paid for your opinion. Once you sign up, again guys, this is a free site, no need to pay or anything like that. Once you get paid, you are able to start generating. It's about 3 cents of a dollar to rate the songs, and you go from there. There is options to refer friends. You can see on the very right side, by the referral after you sign up, you will have your user ID, like an affiliate ID, let's say, for example, that you are able to include, or your friend that is referred can include, and you get also extra points and rewards based on this one. So Slice the Pie is the second one. You get approximately about 3 cents on this one, and then you have other options that you are able to do some surveys and so on. Number 2, Slice the Pie. So let's move on the last one, which for me, these 3 sites are considered to be the top, because it's giving you the most rewards and most cents to a dollar for your opinion. So last one is Music Xray. Again, on these ones, when you sign up, which is free, you can do it from here. You will be able to start rating songs, and here it can be from anywhere from 7 to 10 cents of USD dollars for each song. On all 3 sites, guys, as this one here, it definitely makes a big difference on the country and the location you are. If you're in the United States, definitely the options are more. Canada, UK, Australia, you will have a little bit more of options than other countries. There is some countries that you will not be able to see any songs at all. So that's why I'm saying go over all 3 sites based on your location, do a little browse around and see which one is the best for you. You will be able to choose from what is better here, and also you will be able to on the music Xray, you will be able to tip the artist if you like it as well, which is also very interesting. So guys, these options won't make you rich overnight. I'm not sure based on your location which of the 3 websites you will be able to use, but even if you use all 3 of them, now we're talking about based on the video and the song you're gonna hear, you're gonna get a few cents of the dollar. So this will bring you some extra dollars in your account, but they won't make you rich overnight. So what I would like to suggest is to click on the link below this video on my description to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make money online, passive income from the comfort of your house every single day coming in once you follow this system. Proof video showing you step by step. All you need to do, click the link below this video, enter your email address to unlock the video with the proof. Take it from there, very easy, change my life, it can change yours. I hope you like the content of this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay tuned on all the videos I'm sending out. Hit the like button and start making money. Thank you so much guys, enjoy the day. Until the next video, have a nice day ahead. Thank you, bye bye guys.